We have given diagram, and measure of angle 3 is 150 degrees. We have to find measure of angle 1, 2, and 4. We have on this diagram two lines which cross each other, and we have here vertical angles. 1 and 3 are verticals and 2 and 4 are verticals. And we know that vertical angles are congruent. So we can write that angle 2 is congruent to angle 4 and angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. It means that measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 4 and measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 3. We have given measure of angle 3. So measure of angle 3 is equal to measure of angle 1. So this is 150 degrees. What else? Angle 1 and 4 are supplementary angles. So the measure of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Or you can choose 2 and 3. They are supplementary angles, and 1 and 2 or 3 and 4. It doesn't matter which pair you choose. The answer will be the same. So let's put now that 1 and 2 are supplementary angles. So we will have that measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 is equal 180 degrees. So we have that measure of angle 1 is 150 degrees plus measure of angle 2 is equal 180 degrees. I will move 150 to the right side, so we have measure of angle 2 is equal 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. This is 30 degrees. And measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 4. So we have measure of angle 4 too. This is my solution.